Welcome back to another crypto video. Hey ladies and gents, thanks for hopping back into another Jacob Crypto Bury video and welcome back. So we're going to check out Theta network today, not Theta cheese but Theta crypto. $3.35 we're trading and we have hopped up a few positions in that crypto ladder, so it's looking pretty tasty. And why am I using these words that remind me of feta cheese? God damn. So Theta network eyes major gains in the crypto market, bounces. We've noticed that. We've seen it on the daily candle and it looks pretty juicy. Another word that's connected to cheese. I love cheese and I love food, by the way, guys. Theta has gained by double digits during the past 24 hours. The gains come from an uptrend across the cryptocurrency market. Theta network has also recently been adopted by Resorts World Las Vegas to build an NFT. So massive project, big news. And this partnership here, the Theta network partners with Resorts World Las Vegas, you know, they're getting there. They're partnering up with the right people. They've got the cash flow, a massive resort in one of the biggest, most popular, famous places in the entire world. So if you are new here, just before we jump in, do smash that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below. And one thing I would love you all to do is join the Discord down below, somewhere down there. And make sure you do join. Click it, it's free. You're going to see loads of cool people. We're currently like 70 people strong. You know, got some awesome guys like Bowl of Noodles. Everything's making me so hungry today. And yeah, just join, share your views, talk about crypto, talk about anything, whatever you want. So we can see this is the massive tweet. Resorts World Las Vegas to launch utility NFTs on Theta network, the first ever from major Las Vegas casino. That's pretty cool, to be honest. I really like that. I've never been to Las Vegas. Do I want to go there? Probably not. But it does look pretty cool. I mean, if I went there, I'd probably just get a Wendy's and in and out and then go back home. But you can do that anywhere in America. So, yeah, very bullish to see that particular news. 28,000 holders, and that's not a lot, really. I don't know if this is accurate information. I don't know how we've only got like 3 new holders over 2 weeks. That doesn't seem right. Can anyone clarify whether this is just on a particular contract or whether there are other contracts on a different ecosystem? That'd be very interesting to know. So we can see Theta network $3.35 up 16%, massive pump on that 24-hour daily time frame. Market cap is a whopping 3.3 billion, looking really good. And if we do look on the 180 days, we can see, you know, been a big downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. It's very apparent, you can see that. But maybe we're going to get that big impulse now and finally produce a higher high. So hopping into the charts, we can see that we did get a bounce out of another consolidation range. It's all looking very, very similar to every other project at the moment because we're just consolidating and we're getting that nice bounce. That 277 was a nice support level that we were speaking about in a recent video. And I did say if we could trade off of that support level, it would be very good and offer some juicy gains. This $2.73 mark, and that was something we looked at just a few days ago. So if you did get in at any point and you know you were involved in this nice double bottom through to symmetrical triangle, you would have had some juicy gains. On the 4-hour time frame, we are over that 20-day moving average. We are pretty overbought on the RSI, so I would be anticipating some kind of maybe sideways trading, a bit of consolidation at this particular level, and I think that's what we're doing now on this time frame. So it looks like a juicy bull flag in that 2-hour. Again, it looks super bullish. There is a bit of selling pressure around this $3.40 zone, and in the hourly, again, it looks like a really strong bull flag. And I think, you know, I'm gonna forget about this because I think sometimes patterns can be invalidated by massive volatility in crypto, and I'm still seeing a bull flag here. And should we break out of this bull flag position, that will probably take us to around this 370 resistance zone. So this 3.7 was a big support level and it's been flipped back into resistance, and I think that's very important to know that we're probably going to target that very soon in the near future. And I think there's a big pump, a big long opportunity coming up Of course, if we just zoom in, we've got to trade sideways as long as possible, and maybe the breakout could happen around the 6th of February in the next 24 hours or so. We're going to see a big pump to the upside, getting lots of volume, which is really, really nice to see as well. Very, very bullish. And I think that's what's going to happen in the short term. We're at this key resistance level from this wick here, you can see, and it's not a coincidence that we have stopped at this particular level. So I think there's still room to come to the upside. There's still much more room for a big impulse, a big bounce to the upside, and I'm waiting for something like that to happen. If we do look at what's happened, we lost that huge level of support along the $3.86 level, and that really is very, very important level of support. So I'd like to see us retest 370 and come back up into this area before we see more continuation to the upside, because it's been a huge descending wedge. If we do take the fib retracement, it takes us all the way below 0.786, which is a key area to reaccumulate on these support levels. It happened before over here in July, massive bounce to the upside. It happened here in December, bounce to the upside. Now we're skating towards another support and we're getting that bounce to the upside. So still not super duper bullish until we do put through a higher high. As you can see at the moment, it's not happened. Let me just draw that in. So until we maybe break that $3.50 mark, then I'll be looking quite bullish, because it looks like we're trying to break this resistance, and once we do come above $4.60, that's when we're going to put through that higher high and things should look good again. But right now it is a nice pump, but it doesn't mean that we're going to get those big all-time highs like $4, $5, $6.60 anytime soon. It doesn't mean we're going to retest those highs. It doesn't mean we're going to come up to even $16 all-time high either. It just means that we've had a lot of fear, a lot of depression, a lot of anger, anxiety. Now we're getting a lot of thrill, euphoria, and FOMO again, but in a much smaller wavelength. So that's what I'm seeing. It's nice to see this pump for sure, really freaking bullish, but I expect rejections around 370 before maybe coming back down to retest the support about 345. So something kind of like that, guys. Anyhow, if you did like the video, please smash the subscribe button. Just want to use this last few seconds to say thank you to the patrons down below. If you want to be a patron, you can join down in the description below. It's literally the price of a coffee, as you can see right here. You'll get many benefits: one-on-one messaging, premium Discord access. You'll also receive an ebook which will add value to your crypto journey, which is sold on Amazon, but you can have it at any of the subscription levels. So do also consider becoming a patron, guys, and support the channel, support the community, support each other. And yeah, that's a wrap, and I'll see you in the next one.